Now notice this system. There's a couple things that are off to begin with. All the systems we looked at before were written in standard form, some ax plus by equals c. That's not the case with these. So what do you think we should do? Yeah, you're absolutely right. Let's rewrite them that way. So let's modify the system, first of all, to put it in standard form. Standard form, check. Now, can I add them right now, such that a variable would eliminate? No, I can't. I notice if I add them, the constants would zero out, but that doesn't help me out because I need to take a 2 by 2 system, 2 equations and two unknowns, and reduce it down to a 1 by 1 system, 1 equation, 1 unknown. So what should I do? Well, maybe one solution is let's multiply this top one by a 5 and multiply this bottom one by a 7. Doing that, I think then the y's might cancel out. So let's rewrite the system with this modification. 10x makes that negative 35y. 5 times 17. Oh boy, I got to do some work, folks. You might know it, I don't. 5 and 3, 85 equals a negative 85. 7's across. And 17 times 7. I still have maintained my 2 by 2 system, 2 equations and 2 unknowns. I modified them in such a way that now if I were to add them, a variable would eliminate. So I would then have 31x equals the difference of those two numbers. 15 plus 19, 34. So my value for x, or my x solution to the system, is at the point x equals 34 31ths. There's the x side. Definitely wouldn't have been able to find that graphing, so good. But, oh gosh, do we really want to back substitute that into my 2 by 2 system to find the y value? We could. It's going to be kind of cumbersome. Oh, I know what we can do. What do you guys think about this? Let's go back and rather than eliminate the y's, let's see if we can eliminate the x values and then find the y that way. Maybe that would save us a little bit more time. So let's go back. I'm going to take this equation right here. That's still one of my original 2 by 2s. I want to double check. That's the same one here. And again, it is the same one here. It's in standard form. So last time we multiplied in such a way that we eliminated the y's. Well, let's eliminate the x's this time. So if I multiply the top line through by a negative 3 and the bottom one by a 2, or a 3 and a negative 2, I guess it doesn't really matter. Let's see what we get. Then I would get a negative 6x plus a 21y. 3 times 17 is what, folks? 51. Multiply the bottom line by 2. Gives me a 6x plus a 10y equals a 34. Still put it in my system notation just so I keep track and I just don't lose where I'm at and make a silly mistake because of just poor formatting. The x's are eliminated. Then I'm left with a 31y equals an 85. Then y equals 85 31ths. So it looks like my solution then to this system is the point 34 31ths and 85 31ths. Coordinate point and then set builder notation for that particular solution. So that was another way that we kind of chose to solve this particular one. Yes, we could have took that value, substituted it in, and then find out what the y value was. Or be clever and use the addition method to eliminate the other variable and just do the problem twice. Your choice. Either way is good.